Guys, random is live, 8:55, 28 p.m. Melbourne time. So we do the participants first. This is how I've always done it. I like doing two list randoms. So anyway, I find it to be a true random. 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. So I'd say, why is it taking so long to copy and paste? Copy. Now we do the team list. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. I got bills. Random complete, and this is the team list. So we go Shannon Crowley, Cavs, Alby Chin, Blazers, Jeffrey Elliott, Celtics, Danilo Ladrosa is Wolves, Van Hatten, Rockets, Johnny Deegan, Pelicans, Blair with the Bucks, Ash Peters, Heat, Adam Carter, Grizz, Ash Peters, Magic, Alby Chin, Bulls, Adam Carter, Clippers, Jeffrey Elliott, Hawks, Brendan Lakers, John Higgins, Nets, Alby Chin, Sixers, Mitch with the Wizards, Sean Thong, the Suns, Johnny Deegan, Raptors, James Cannon, Spurs, Craig Shortkins, Marcus Olot, Knicks, David Charles, Jazz, Adam Carter, Pacers, Van Houten, Mavericks, Brendan, Warriors, Plymus with Pistons, Ed Lee, Hornets, Nick Watson, Thunder, and Chan with the Nuggets. I don't know why I struggled to say Nuggets there. I was like, Nuggets? And the time is 8:57, 40 p.m. Melbourne time, right at the same time.